it's Avia LeVon and welcome back to another video. I am super excited about today's video. This one's gonna be an empty apartment tour. So Damon and I are really excited. We just got a new apartment, literally just got the keys yesterday, and wanted to give you guys a tour. This is gonna be our last apartment ever, like last time renting before we buy like a house, a townhouse or something. I don't know, we're still figuring what we want later on. But this will be the apartment that gets us through the wedding and just kind of all of this whole phase of, you know, getting ready to get married. So I'm super excited about it. We're both super excited about this space, and I'm excited to see what comes from here. So we'll, you know, have a ton more kind of like decorating videos and all of that as we make this apartment a home for the next year and some change. So very excited about that. Apartment tour starts in. All right guys, so I am super excited. This starts out our apartment tour. So I have I'm standing basically where our front door is. We have a ton of storage down this hallway. So this door right here, it's just a really nice deep kind of entryway closet, which I'm really excited about. I think we'll kind of store some luggage in here. We'll probably put like a little shoe shelf to kind of keep our, you know, immediate goes, and a couple of coats in here for anything we need to leave and kind of get ready for. And we might also put just a couple of Bentley's things up front as well, so when we get ready to take him out, he'll be good to go. HVAC, all that good fun stuff. Then next in the hallway, we have our washer and dryer. I love that it is front loaded and it already comes with a whole bunch of shelves installed, which I'm really excited about. If you guys saw one of my recent posts on some of the different Amazon things that I bought during quarantine for our last apartment, I bought a whole bunch of like really cute, they're really simple actually, just kind of like black boxes to store a whole bunch of our stuff as it relates to laundry. So really excited to get those in here. With there being 3 shelves, I might order a couple of more eventually over time, and we'll get like a cute little laundry basket to go over top of the dryer. So this should be a super cute little area. So coming in from the, you know, entryway, the laundry room is here. If we turn this corner here, we'll have the bathroom and the second bedroom. So second bedroom is super simple. This will all kind of serve to be Damon's office and our guest bedroom. And so in Damon's office also, like he has a lot of his gaming stuff in here, which will be a lot of, it's just a kind of a fun area. So we'll look to get this kind of set up as a little mini man cave / guest bedroom. And then we have a walk-in closet in here. So a ton of shelving for all the space and storage. This one is a little bit smaller than our closet, like our guest bedroom closet currently. So our guest closet now holds a whole bunch of stuff that like I knew I'd want when we move out, as far as like decor items, so like rugs and, you know, things like that. Okay, so then as we're leaving the guest bathroom, just on the other side, we have our guest bathroom. So shower, toilet, all the basic necessities. I love the cabinetry and how dark they are. And this has like a really huge kind of storage piece in here. So we can keep some really good things in the bathroom. I'm bumming it today, guys. It's moving day, it's clean everything day, it's clean out our old apartment, all the things. Anyway, so bathroom, nothing special here, but a lot of just good stuff in here, which is nice. All right, so then back in our entryway hallway. So again, laundry room there. Another storage closet. I have no idea what we'll use this for yet. This might kind of serve as like a larger linen closet. I have no idea. We'll see kind of what our storage needs are, but it's good that we have just kind of like another closet, more storage area. Then we have, so next to the storage area, the rest of the closet, we have kind of a self-installed desk already here, which I love. So this will kind of be my work area, but I love that it already has some of the built-in shelves, so I get to put some pictures up and stuff like that. I'll bring over my little chair, and so this will be my whole work area. Work from home was like so important as like Damon and I were picking out our next apartment. Just being that now we are home all the time, whatever our, as we knew that we were probably gonna be moving soon, whatever we got next really mattered, because it was, okay, this apartment has to be like everything, because we don't know how long we're gonna be home. I'm already told that we'll be working from home from my job until first part of next year at the earliest. So I needed us to be able to be comfortable here. So already having this built-in desk area was amazing. And then knowing that Damon will have the guest bedroom over there to kind of do all of his stuff and have his space was really nice. So that was like one of the huge things that we were looking at when we were apartment shopping was, okay, where are designated like working areas and all of that. So I love that this gives me this here, and it's right here next to the kitchen, so I can kind of continue to manage the home and, cook lunch and make dinner and all the things. So I love it. It's still out in the open and gives me some flexibility. I love that our apartment complex already comes with a Nest enabled. It's actually, I'm a little bit warm today, but I love that. So Damon and I already have a whole bunch of kind of Google stuff set up at the house already. So with the Nest, we can kind of already come in here and enable this apartment to be smart like our current apartment now. So we'll kind of come in and get that all situated. I mean, how cool is this? Oh, too cool, too cool, too cool. All right, so now with all of that really just took care of like the whole entryway, hallway, and the guest bedroom. Next, we're gonna go into the master bedroom, and then we're going to the kitchen and living area. Okay, so with our master area, comes straight off of kind of my workspace in the desk area. We'll come into here. It's a nice, really good size. I already brought over a fake plant. So I'm trying to make it homey slowly but surely. But really good size. So just to be able to put in a decent sized bed, some nightstands, get a dresser in here, and put our TV and call it a day. We wanted to make this area simple because we just really love how the living room area is set up. And then also behind these blinds is a balcony, which is right off of our bedroom, which we really love. So it gives us kind of like a little nook for coffee or just to kind of like wake up and go out there and get outside a little bit. So love that. Then as we're going this way, we get to the bathroom. So we have the double sink vanity in here, lots of storage space, which super excited for and needed. Of course, a little toilet, some more storage, separate tub, stand-in shower, and the part that I'm very excited about, our closet. So in here, it just gives us plenty of space to put in everything that we need. I mean, the space is huge. I already brought some bathing suits over because I love the pool over here. But ton of space. Okay, so our closets were another thing that Damon and I were really picky about when it came to us finding our next place. Our closet now in our current apartment is super large, so it's able to hold everything that we need. So closet space, I couldn't imagine anything smaller than that. So that was the standard. So here, this was pretty comparable. So I was like, okay, we can do this. We can make it work. So super excited to get everything in here and just figure out how we want it all set up. So then as we leave the bedroom, that takes us into our living space. I'm super excited about it. I love that it's just really nice and open, and it has so many windows, which brings in so much natural light. I'm very excited about that. So this will be our living room and dining room space, and I love that it's just really open concept. It'll be great for kind of like entertaining and having people over, and we'll just kind of all be in one space. So yeah, we're slowly starting to get kind of our furniture in here. And then another huge plus is we have this huge island in the kitchen. So it'll be great to kind of put some stools there so it can kind of be like an eat-in bar. It's just like a lot of prep space, which I love. Ton of storage underneath the island on this side, which is great. And a ton of storage also on the main side of the kitchen with the appliances. All right guys, so that was our empty apartment tour. I hope that you guys kind of enjoyed it. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. We are super excited to really just get in this space and just kind of continue this next chapter of our lives. I feel like a lot of really great memories is gonna be made here as we're getting ready to get married and everything else. I think we both feel extremely excited and very blessed for this opportunity. So I'm super excited to get in here. We have a lot of work to kind of get everything moved over and a whole bunch of other things. So be on the lookout for a whole bunch of kind of decorating videos as we just kind of get everything set up and as we're shopping for new things and just kind of getting through this process and making this a happy home for the both of us. All right guys, so I hope that you all enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe down below so that you can get updates on all my future uploads. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Man, it's echoey in here. Ooh, I like that.